Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy candy for business. First, research your market to understand demand and identify your ideal customers. Next, familiarize yourself with all local food safety regulations and obtain necessary licenses. Finally, develop a unique and delicious recipe, then source high-quality ingredients to ensure a premium product. This foundational work is crucial for a successful launch. Once your foundation is set, focus on equipment. You'll need commercial-grade cooking equipment, like large kettles and various molds for different shapes. Precise measuring tools are essential for consistent flavor and texture across all batches. Establish a dedicated, clean, and temperature-controlled production area to maintain quality and hygiene standards. This setup ensures efficient and safe gummy production. Now, let's dive into the recipe and batching process. Accurately measure all ingredients, including gelatin, sugar, and your chosen flavorings, to ensure consistency. Adhere strictly to precise cooking temperatures and times. This is critical for achieving the perfect gummy texture. After cooking, allow your gummies to set completely in their molds before carefully demolding and preparing them for packaging. Patience here pays off. Finally, focus on packaging and marketing. Design attractive, food-safe packaging that not only protects your product, but also clearly highlights your brand identity. Develop and implement effective marketing strategies to reach your target customers, whether through social media, local markets, or online sales. Remember to check the description for links to great deals and other helpful resources, including that awesome car air freshener. A strong brand and smart marketing are key to business growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.